Hi everyone, Creating with Ali again. Welcome. Today I'm going to do this kit. This is a creative kit called Paper Palm Leaves. It's a mirror kit that I picked up from the Reject Shop. Now, if you haven't heard of the Reject Shop, it is a shop here in Australia where you can pick up cheap stuff. I picked this Paper Palm Leaves mirror kit up for $5 the other day in the Reject Shop. And I thought this would be a great addition to the craft room wall that I am going to create as a backdrop for some of the videos that I'm going to make on this channel. So let's see what is in this kit, shall we? You have got some paper. It's not thin paper, it's sort of cardstock-ish, I guess. And it's already been scored. You can see those score lines on there. There is a mirror, and on the back of the mirror there are some hooks there for hanging, so that's fantastic. There's another little packet in here for containing instructions. There we go, kit instructions. Also some glue dots, some sticky tape, and a bit of jute string. So for $5, this is pretty cool. There's quite a bit in here. So let's have a look and see. I'll put the mirror to the side because I don't want it to break that. This is going to be quite big. I didn't think it was going to be as big as what's in the box. So the very first thing that you need to do, got the glue dots, is to have a clean working area. Well, I've kind of got that. And pleating along the guidelines on each of these leaves. So basically, you're going to create these leaves, and then pinch the pleats and tape over them securely using the tape that's been provided. Twist the stems to create a flatter surface, so they're going to adhere to the mirror. Draw a wide circle around the mirror at the end, okay, so you know where the pieces are going to go. Alright, and it looks like they're different shapes at the end as well, so you can see here. Alright, well, let's get started pleating. It was pretty easy preparing the leaves. It was a bit of like that, you know, fold, turn that you did at school when you used to make concertina items in craft classes. And I did make sure I used my bone folder just to make sure those creases were pretty defined once they were folded. So I've got all the leaf pieces all folded up, and then I believe what you do is you get to the base of the leaf and you get it together like so, and then you take some of this sticky tape that they've given you in the kit, and then you sticky tape around that end so that it holds in place. And the idea is that once you're ready to put it onto the mirror, is that you twist this around to make it more flat so that it can be glued onto the mirror. So I'm going to go and add some tape to each of the pieces here at the base. So I have all of the leaf pieces done there. Now I need to have a look at this mirror. I need to create a bit of a circle. I know this is not an exact science, but I think an eyeball on this will be just fine. Okay. Now the next thing it asks you to do is to then start thinking about how you're going to place these in their segment, and they want this turn so that you can kind of put that in like so. I don't think I'm going to do that, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these glue dots to put them in a temporary place so I can check it, and then I'm going to come back with this big boy. Okay, I couldn't use the glue, it was dried out, so that's going to be second best. This temporary gluing is working a treat. So here I am just positioning with the glue dots around the circle that I made on the back and just readjusting where I needed to. Just getting this set up. I'm going to come back in with the glue gun, and what I'm going to do is actually glue them down, but also glue the sides of these leaves together. So where they have folds, I'll make the folds sort of lay in with one another. As I got halfway around, I thought I'd better just put in the twine that I'm going to hang this with, because once I get any further into this project, it's going to be pretty hard to do that in amongst the leaves that have been glued down. So I'm just attaching this here and tying it up. And then I continue placing the rest of the leaves below and flipping it over every now and then, just to make sure that I like the layout and the way that it's looking on the side that you actually are going to see. Once I had added all of these in and I had glued the sides of the leaves together as well, I went and hung it on the wall to take a look and see what it was looking like. And here I'm just showing you where I put a little bit of hot glue and just sealed those edges together. I found that it laid a lot better on the wall that way. And there you have it, a little floral mirror. I was pretty impressed with the way this turned out, considering it only cost $5. It's a pretty bargain craft item, and one that can kind of dress up a wall a little bit, which is what it's done right here. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a like and a thumbs up. I do lots of little crafty kit videos along with how to make money online through things like KDP, so if you're interested in a variety of different craftiness and also how to make money, then make sure that you subscribe and stick around to watch some more. Thanks again for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.